Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa News Bulletin with me Deepali Naik. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. Government should revise the Official Language Act taking into consideration the public interest. Vishnu Wagh. There has to be discipline in journalism and journalists have to serve in public interest. Vinayak Naik. And Mayam MLA assures development of Gadwas village of Norway. Now the news in detail. Government should revise the Official Language Act, said MLA and Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Wagh. It has been 25 years since the Act was introduced and now there is a need to make changes in it considering the public interest, he added. He further said that it's a public issue, hence there is no question of someone's ego getting hurt. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
See, my frank opinion is that Official Language Act, which was passed in 1987, needs to be reviewed today. Any act, when it is passed, it should be seen whether it is beneficial for the people or not, or the purpose with which it was passed, whether that purpose has been fulfilled. Now 25 years have passed since the act was put into place, and government should sincerely review what is the exact benefit that has gone to Kokani by making it only in Devanagari. Okay. If not, the government should come out with a white paper on this issue. This is my frank opinion. They should tell us very blankly, like how many applications had come to the government in the last 25 years. How many times communication has been done in Kokani. How many people have opted for it? What is the position in the education sector? So let them come out with a white paper. Then they will know whether the act needs to be amended or not. It is very simple. And there should be no qualms about it. I mean, it's not a very big issue, like it's not somebody's ego issue or something. It is an issue of the people. Some people sincerely feel that even Kokani in Roman state should be given credence as an official language. So there is nothing bad in feeling like this. If there is a majority section feeling like this, then it's government's duty to understand the sentiments of the people.
There has to be discipline in journalism and journalists have to serve in public interest, said Chief Editor of Goa Today Vinayak Naik. He also said that the media shouldn't publish the news that would cause nuisance among the public. He was speaking during the National Press Day organized by Department of Information and Publicity. The said program was organized in association with GOOS, Editors Guild, Photojournalist Association, Sports Journalist Association and Electronic Media Journalist Association of Goa. Yashwant Parab reports from Panjim.
Today it is not the front page, but page 3 that counts for most of the editors. Where I would want to elaborate on this, I'll leave it at that. We, as the media people, are surely not getting our priorities right. When there was a terror attack on Bombay a couple of years ago, I'm sure you will recall what the media coverage was like. It was almost entirely on terror. That too for days on end. On the TV channels in particular, the only topic covered was terror, to the total exclusion of so many other newsworthy happenings. Evidently, for the channels, except terror, the other happenings just did not count. During that sorry episode of terror attack, the death of a very, very important Indian took place. I am referring to the passing away of our former Prime Minister, Mr. Vishwanath Pratap Singh. But that news was almost totally blacked out by the electronic media, including Doodle. For that matter, the print media too did almost equally badly as regards that coverage, with only some newspapers covering the former Prime Minister's death in a para or two, that too in the inside pages of that paper. What a shame! The point I am trying to drive home is that one must strike a balance when it comes to giving a media coverage for any development. One shouldn't try to go over the top as it is done in cricket. You shouldn't cover and even ad nauseum, or rather to the point of disgust, as was done during the terror attack interview I just referred to. The main anchor of one of the television channels, going by the name Aaj something, I won't name it, in fact almost turned the coverage of the terror attack into one of hilarity, joviality, as the blast kept happening in front of Mumbai's famed Taj Mahal Hotel, while the gentleman was on camera. of course at a fair distance from the scene of the blast. Instead of showing some distress, at least patiently, he was seen immediately jumping about at the resonance of every blast and proclaiming, "Hey raha aur ek dhamaka," as though describing a cricketing chakka. It is true that the role of the media is to inform the people about the happenings of which people are ignorant. But it is wrong on its part to inform them about some of the happenings which can only bring them needless pain. Take for instance what we saw on one of the television news channels quite recently. Its main programmer, I won't name him, but I am sure.
MLA and Deputy Speaker Anand Sheth assured that he will put efforts for the development of Ghadwas village at Narve. IRDX Goa had showed a story on Friday on the sorrow state of the roads of Ghadwas village. IRDX Goa's impact. A story on the sorrow state of the roads of Narve village was brought to light by us on Friday. We had also brought to light the problems people had to face due to unavailability of proper road. Watching the story, MLA of Mayam Anand Sheth assured that he will put efforts for the development of roads. Sudesh Maikar reports from Mayam.
मतदारसंघातलो नार्वे गाव हो तसो एक दुर्गम भाग म्हटल्यार वावगे थारचे ना आनी ह्या भागान संबंद वाहतुकीचे जे साधनां किंवा रस्ते जे आसपाक जाय ताज्या खातीर आमी पूर्णतः प्रयत्नशील आसात आनी ह्या हेतूंतल्यान एक हांगासर मुद्दाम नमूद करन दिसता तो म्हणल्यार मार्मावाडा ते देवूळवाडा आनी देवूळवाड्याच्यान फुडें दिवाळगाळी किंवा मुख्य रस्तो जो नार्वे वता बिचोलच्यान ताका जोडणारो एक रस्तो बांदून पूर्ण जावचो अशी तांच्या नागरिकांची मागणी आसा आनी ती मागणी रास्त धरून आमी गेल्या वर्षभराच्या हेतूंतल्यान ह्या संबंधीचो प्रस्ताव संबंधीत खात्या कडेन आनी PWD जे आसा तांच्या कडेन धाडलेलो आसा. पुणून हें करता आसतना अशें आमी अपेक्षीत धरतले की आज प्रस्ताव धाडलो आनी म्हयन्याभराच्या भितर तें काम जालें. कारण जेन्ना आमी खंयचोय प्रस्ताव किंवा खंयचोय प्रकल्प फुडें व्हरपाक सोदतात तेन्ना जमिनीची समस्या ही व्हडल्यान व्हडली आसता आनी जो पर्यंत जमीन उपलब्ध जायना तो पर्यंत तो प्रस्ताव फुडें वचूंक शकना. आनी ह्या संदर्भान हांगासर दोन संस्था खरें म्हटल्यार इनवॉल्व आसात. ती म्हटल्यार नार्वे कमी दाद ह्या हितूंतल्यान हो प्रस्तावीत रस्तो वतलो आनी फुडें युवॅकी प्रॉपर्टी मये हांगच्यानूय हो रस्तो हांगाच्यान पास जातलो. म्हणून दोनूय नार्वे कमीदाद आनी युवॅकी प्रॉपर्टी हांच्या हितूंतल्यान तांचे NOC आवश्यक दाखले ना जाल्यार ती जमीन संपादन करून एक्विजिशन जे आसा जाल्या उपरांत हो प्रस्ताव जो आसा तो पूर्ण.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तूं त्याच देवाची भुंय वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. serving authentic Goan and Multi cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosle, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant and lounge bar, serving Mumbai since 1987. Now coming to Goa, at Amonkars, Miramar. Uncle's Kitchen.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. Government of Goa has encouraged agriculture as promised in their manifesto, said Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo. He appealed to farmers to make optimum use of the schemes laid by the government. He was speaking in the Kisan Morcha organized at Aldona constituency. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Aldona.
Manifesto आम्ही सांगलेले की आम्ही किसान मोर्चाचे शेतकऱ्यांचे आम्ही बरे एग्रीकल्चर डेव्हलप करपाक फार्मर्स सपोर्ट दिवपाक बेनिफीट दिवपाक आम्ही पुढे सरतले. एंड आयज दीस एज आम्ही आमच्या मतदारसंघात आयज आम्ही कंप्लीट सिलेक्ट केल्ले आसा. आमच्या मतदारसंघात आमचे खूब एक बरें एग्रीकल्चर आमी डेव्हलप करूंक शकता. पूण इम्पॉर्टंट कितें आमकां ही बेनिफीट आयज आमी आमचे बुकलेट पावयले आनी एक बूक आसा की हांव मागून घेतलो फ्रँकी कडेन कित्याक म्हजे वाचून खबर जावन हाजे खूब बेनिफीट आसा. तितलेंच न्हू की आमचे आतां प्रमुख सगळे आमचे बूक दिला तेमी बरी स्टडी करपाक मेंबरांक घेवन ते दुसऱ्याक तुमी शेतकऱ्यांक सांगपाक जाय कित्याक इतले बेनिफीट आसा पूण कोण फुडें तरी घेवपाक जाय. नाजाल्यार समज तुमचे कडेन कितें डिफिकल्टी आसत जाल्यार आमच्या ऑफिसान येवंक शकता कित्याक ते तुका सगळे नॉलेज तुका म्हायती आमच्या ऑफिसान पासून मेळटले. कित्याक केन्ना लोकांक स्किमी बद्दल करून ताका गमना कितें स्किमी ज्यो स्किमी कितें डॉक्युमेंट जाय देखून केन्ना तुमकां जर डिफिकल्टी आसत जाल्यार तुमी आमच्या ऑफिसान येवचें. नाजाल्यार आमचे प्रमुख आसतले ताचेर ते मातशें बरी म्हायती दिवन भारत सगळे सगळे आमचे एकामेकाक तुमी मेळप पाहिजे. कित्याक तितलेंच न्हू हांगा हांव पळयतलो बुकार आमचे टुअर्स आसता. टुअर्स म्हणजे आमच्या दुसऱ्या राज्यात दुसऱ्या स्टेटान गेल्यार जाल्यार खूब तुमकां नॉलेज मेळूंक शकता. एंड ती देर आर स्कीम वेर यू गेट इवन अवॉर्ड्स लायक 1 lakh 2 lakhs. सो इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट की आमच्या मतदारसंघात आमच्या उत्तर गोंयांत आमी आल्दोना फर्स्ट आमचे शेतकरी मॅक्सिमम बेनिफीट इवन आमकां जावं दुधाचे बिझनस जावं व्हेजिटेबलाचे बिझनस ते आमी गोंया भशेन नंबर 1 जावपाक जाय. म्हाका तुमचे तुमी सगळे एकवटान आमी काम करूया. आमचे मतदारसंघाचे पण नाव दिया, सरकारचे पण दाखोवन दिया की आदोना मतदारसंघात आमचे सरकारी नंबर 1 आसा.
A lot of garbage is seen dumped alongside the Mole National Highway. This garbage is dumped by non-residents of Mole, alleged Sarpanch of Mole, Ramkrishna Gaukar. He further said that a complaint regarding this is lodged with the police. Eknath Khedekar reports from Mole.
Basically, तो कचरो आसा पळय तो आमचो न्ही. हो कचरो आसा आउटसायड गोवाचो, म्हणजे कर्नाटकांतली जी भाजयेची गाडी येता, दुधाची गाडी येता, ते रातीन आनी दुसरे म्हणटा ते दिसावयले कोण कचरो उडयना. रातीन म्हणजे जेन्ना ते 2-3 पावता तेच्या उपरांत ते कचरो उडयता. आमी एक ओरली पुलीस स्टेशनाक एक फोन केला, एक 4 दीस वाट पळयतले, मागीर तेका रिटर्न येतले. जो कोणी असो कचरो उडयता, समज एखाद्या वेळी आमकां फावंड आउट जालो जाल्यार तेजेर आमी स्ट्रिक्ट कारवाई घेतले. हो कचरो म्हणटा तो बेजिकली आमचोच न्ही आनी आमचो लोक कचरो करपाक तितले उन्नत हें बी ना. आनी हांगासर व्हडलोसो प्रॉब्लेम चडसो तेंचो ट्रॅफीक हेवी आसल्या कारणान येता वयतना कोणीय उडयता, भाजयेवालो उडयता, दुधाची गाडी उडयता, म्हणजे तेजेर कंट्रोल दवरपाकूय आमकां मातसो प्रॉब्लेम जाता. रातीन काय आमी ते करपाक काय शकना, दिसान काय कोण कचरो उडयना. हो चडसो कचरो आसा तो रातचोच उडयता. कित्याक दिसान जर समज कळ्ळें जाल्यार तो सकाळी पळयतना फ्रेश दिसता. दिसान उडयला जाल्यार तो सांज पर्यंत तो हें जातलो आसलो, बेळशेल्लेशें जातलो. सकाळचे जे कोणी अशे टर्न मारता तेंका ते पिशवे आसा ते एकदम फ्रेश आसता, पूण ताका लागून तो रातचोच कचरो उडयता हें सिद्ध जाता. सद्या आमी एक सांगला त्या प्रमाणे ओरली पुलीस स्टेशनाक आमी एक फोन केल्लो आसा, तेज्या उपरांत ताका रिटर्न दितले. आनी आमचे कडेन बेजिकली म्हणलें आमचे कडेन स्टाफ ना, पंचायती कडेन स्टाफ ना. आमी कलेक्टराक जर एक लेटर करून पळयतले, समज तेज्या बद्दल संदर्भात जर हायर ऑथॉरिटी कितें करपाक शकता, आमकां जर स्टाफ बी प्रोवायड करपाक शकता जाल्यार वी कॅन थिंक ओवर इट. मोले पंचायती बद्दल आतां सद्या एक सांगलें की आमच्या कडेन स्टाफ अवेलेबल ना आनी फंडूय तितलो उरना. जर आमकां गव्हर्मेंटान समज जर खंय मदत केली हे बाबतींत की दुसऱ्या कुड्या तशें हेवी ट्युरिजम चालू आसा, पूण ते हांगाच उडयतले आनी थंयच उडयतले बी 100% सांगपाक शकना आनी कस्टमराचे काय हातीक धरपाक शकना. कोणी ताका हांगा उडयना थंय उडय. आमी एक आतां एक फलक लावपाक शकता एक रोड सायडीक 2 सायडीक की हांगासर वेस्टेज गार्बेज उडोवची न्ही म्हणून.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो. येताना देवाक चांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडी येताना देवाक चांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. A group of followers of Narendracharya organized a youth procession to mark the occasion of Tripurai Purnima. Groups from Goa as well as Maharashtra participated in the procession. Mahindra Fatti reports from Old Goa.
बरीचशी पथकां या कला पथकां या शोभायात्रेत सहभागी जाल्या आणि गोवा राज्यांत ही त्रिपुरारी वारी पौर्णिमा उत्सव हो दीपोत्सव म्हणून आमी साजरो करपा खातीर आज हांगा सगळे जमल्या. शोभायात्रा जी आसा त्या शोभायात्रेचें वैशिष्ट्य अशें आसा की प्रत्येक गांवाचे कला पथक जे की आपले कला सादर करपा खातीर आयिल्ले आसा. महाराष्ट्राच्या कानाकोपऱ्यांतल्यान गोंयचे रोमटामेळ जे फामाद रोमटामेळ जे आसा ते बी आपल्या कला पथकाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आज आमी कला दाखोवपा खातीर हांगसर जमल्या.
The followers of Brahmishanand Swami of Kundem Tapobhumi distributed 2014 calendars to promote the works of Tapobhumi. The calendars were distributed at Shigao through Matru Seva Abhiyan. Eknath Kedekar reports from Shigao.
कॅलेंडर गावान वितरण करपाचो उद्देश कितें?
आमचे गुरुपीठाचे श्री ब्रह्मेशानंद गुरुमाऊलीचे मार्गदर्शनाखाली आम्ही कॅलेंडरां वितरण करपाक भोंवतात. सगळ्यांच्या घरांनी ही कॅलेंडरापासून प्रसार जावचो की कितें आनी तेंच्या घरांक हे कॅलेंडर बाबांचे आमचे लावचे असो आमचो उद्देश आसा.
आम्ही ब्रह्मेशानंद स्वामीचे शिष्य आसा आणि हे कार्य आम्ही वर्सान वर्स करीत येयले आसा आणि आम्ही काकोडा, पणटेमळ, कामराळ, ताबामळ, माडेल सगळे अशें शिगांव आमी वर्सान वर्स हांगसर येवन सगळे अभियान अशें आमी मातृसेवा समिती करतात.
Before we wind up, here is a recap of the headlines. Government should revise the Official Language Act taking into consideration the public interest. Vishnu Wagh. There has to be discipline in journalism and journalists have to serve in public interest. Vinayak Naik. And Mayam Amale assures development of Gadwas village of Norway. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.